Go Carpet Cleaning in Kennesaw, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning is among the leading carpet cleaning service providers in Kennesaw. We provide natural cleaning solutions to battle any stain, even tough ones. Our company is devoted to supplying attention to detail that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and brand new. When using our eco-friendly solutions, leave your home smelling fresh with a no chemical odor or residue left for you and pets. There are numerous happy customers across all neighborhoods who rely greatly upon our qualified specialists, since nothing gets easier than having a professional clean. For carpet cleaning in Kennesaw, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. When you call our carpet cleaning service, our experienced professionals are professional cleaners in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, as a cleaning approach which gets rid of stains by thoroughly cleaning the fibers of your carpet in a non-harmful method without any harsh chemicals. Think of a place where you can feel the warmth, see natural light and breathe freely. We offer carpet cleaning that will bring your home or office back to life, and will offer pleasant service with a smile. We do more than carpet cleaning. Take a look at the list of our additional services. Cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. There's absolutely nothing like spending time on clean, fresh-smelling carpeting, and we can help you get there. We use environment-friendly items that are safe for family pets and kids, so you don't need to fret about anything poisonous getting left after the job is done. Call us for a free consultation, and to discuss our affordable prices on carpet cleaning in Kennesaw, or the surrounding areas, including Johns Creek and Sewanee. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.